Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're uncovering a massive blind spot in modern manufacturing. We're going to show you exactly how to transform fiber optic production from a series of frustrating manual bottlenecks right into a seamless, fully digital enterprise. Look, if you're involved in modern manufacturing, you already know data is your most valuable asset. But you know how we handle that data? That makes all the difference in the world.
Okay, so let's dive into this by asking a really provocative question. Why are ultra-modern, cutting-edge factories, literally the places producing the advanced fiber optics that power our entire global communications network, why are they still trapped by paper-based records and manual typing? It's kind of a crazy contradiction, right? We've got these multi-million-dollar test instruments, and yet technicians are still physically typing results into enterprise systems. Make it make sense.
To figure this out, we've structured today's explainer into 6 clear steps. First, the hidden data bottleneck. Second, enter digital quality passport. Third, the end-to-end workflow. Fourth, secure edge virtualization. Fifth, industrial validation and results. And finally, number 6, the future of fiber manufacturing. Let's jump right into section 1, the hidden data bottleneck, specifically focusing on manual OTDR and SOR workflows. So take a look at this stark contrast between the status quo and what automated data handling actually looks like. On the left side, the legacy process literally demands 4 minutes of a highly skilled technician's time just to export, interpret, and type out the data. I mean, that just opens a door to transcription errors, duplicate work, and ultimately really poor traceability. But on the right, we've got an automated platform called M0VAI. Notice the dramatic shift here. 0% manual errors, processing time slashed to under 46 seconds, and automatic synchronization directly to your ERP system. It is night and day.
And this perfectly illustrates the real-world consequences of trapping your valuable data inside raw binary files. On the left side, you've got a technician who is just overwhelmed by cables, paper, and manual processes, trapping that critical test data. But on the right, the M0NOVI IVE offline first solution completely automates that entire pipeline. Those raw files, they're automatically parsed into structured, readable formats and sent directly to the enterprise system over a secure local network. It's a total paradigm shift from a human-centric bottleneck to a slick, machine-driven flow. Moving right along to section 2, enter digital quality passport, where we're bridging the gap from test to trust.
Okay. The absolutely crucial point here is that we need to understand M0NOVI not just as a piece of software, but as a digital twin-oriented edge virtualization platform. Yeah, I know, that's a mouthful. But what it really means is that it creates a perfectly synchronized virtual state of your physical testing processes. It doesn't just act like a hard drive storing files. It actually virtualizes the measurement, validates it locally at the edge, and deeply integrates it with your industrial ERP systems without skipping a single beat.
By looking at this breakdown, you can see exactly which must-have data fields are being captured. We're talking traceability, supplier material data, detailed optical tests like attenuation, and ERP metadata. And the real magic here? All of these data points, from the supplier batch right down to the specific attenuation at a 1550 nanometer wavelength, are automatically captured, bound together, and synchronized without a single human keystroke. You're basically building a bulletproof passport of quality for every single product that leaves your floor.
All right, section 3, the end-to-end workflow. Let's see how we connect these instruments directly to your enterprise systems.
This workflow diagram shows the seamless journey from scanning an incoming supplier barcode all the way through to generating a customer-ready digital certificate. Notice how perfectly everything links up. You scan the supplier reel, which instantly pulls the supplier data. The physical cable goes through production, arrives at the OTDR lab, and from there, the edge data acquisition layer just takes over. It normalizes the data, applies your business rules, and integrates it right into the ERP database. This all culminates in an immutable digital quality passport and export-ready certificates for your customers. We can break that whole journey down into 4 deterministic steps. Step 1 is data acquisition, grabbing that data directly from the instruments. Step 2 is processing and decoding, which means breaking open those rigid binary files into flexible JSON or CSV formats. Step 3 is metadata binding and validation, making sure the test result actually matches the correct production run and barcode. And finally, Step 4. Enterprise integration, securely syncing it all into an Oracle ERP system. We are literally replacing fragmented manual tasks with an automated machine-to-machine pipeline.
That brings us to section 4, secure edge virtualization. Let's talk about offline first design for data sovereignty.
So how do we achieve all this securely, especially with cyber threats constantly on the rise? Well, this solution fundamentally respects your factory security. By using an offline-first architecture, your factory maintains total data sovereignty. It operates without any mandatory cloud dependency. Think about that. If your internet goes down, your production and testing don't stop. It's absolutely perfect for mission-critical or connectivity-limited sites. It keeps your intellectual property and quality data safe inside your own four walls, providing local auditability while still securely syncing with your ERP system when you authorize it. You are not exposing your critical infrastructure to external cloud vulnerabilities whatsoever. And this illustrates how all those secure local data streams converge right into one unified digital quality passport. It acts as your single source of truth. It pulls in product identity, supplier origin, manufacturing context, incoming inspection approvals, and the optical test results. Then, it wraps all of this up in an audit trail with a clear quality status, completely ready to be exported. Every single cable drum gets its own trusted, fully auditable identity.
Let's look at the proof. Section 5, Industrial Validation and Results. This is proven in a real manufacturing environment.
I want to really stress this point. This isn't just some theoretical model or a neat lab experiment. This methodology was rigorously validated in a live fiber optic cable manufacturing environment. We are talking about a massive data set covering 500 individual cable assemblies and exactly 1,000 fiber ends. Real production, real testing, real data.
And the results? Honestly, they were staggering. They measured an 81% reduction in the end-to-end post-measurement cycle time. To put that into perspective, the time from when the physical test finishes to when the data is fully registered in the ERP system dropped from 4 grueling minutes per test down to just 45.7 seconds. That is nearly a 500% speed increase. When you multiply that time savings across thousands of cables every single week, the efficiency gains are just absolutely massive. Even more impressively, look at this number: 0%. The automated ERP record showed a 0% field-level transcription error rate when compared to the source files. Look, humans make mistakes when typing out long decimals and complex batch numbers over an 8-hour shift. It just happens. But machines doing automated data parsing? They don't. The data integrity was mathematically perfect across the entire evaluated data set. No way around it. That's a game changer.
Finally, Section 6, Future of Fiber Manufacturing. We're talking about transforming quality into a massive competitive advantage. Implementing this kind of digital transformation might seem super daunting at first, but it is completely de-risked through a structured, 3-phase collaboration model. You don't have to do it all at once. You start with Phase 1, assessment and solution definition, to map out your specific processes. Then you move to Phase 2, pilot validation. You test it on a limited scope just to prove the data mapping actually works for you. Finally, Phase 3, scaled implementation, where you roll out the full automation and ERP synchronization. You start small, you prove the value, and then you scale up with total confidence. Once you are fully implemented, the sheer visibility that C-suite executives and plant managers gain is incredible. Look at the executive dashboards here. Because your data is automated, parsed, and immediately available, you instantly see production performance, quality yields, equipment efficiency, and real-time laboratory throughput. You've essentially transformed raw test data into true business intelligence. You can trace every single drum and deliver absolute excellence to your customer without any of the old delays or inconsistencies. So the final question you have to ask yourself is this: will you allow manual data entry and isolated files to keep holding your smart factory back? Or will you take the leap, unlock true data sovereignty, and turn your quality control into an unfair competitive advantage? The blueprint is literally right here. The next step is entirely yours.